This is a Veranda Stateroom. We are on the deck 7, room 237. Let's check what's inside. I took a stunning cruise around the Norwegian Fjords this June on Celebrity Apex, and this was my home for 12 days. This trip was sponsored by Celebrity Cruises, but this video is not, so let's jump in! Here we have a sofa, on the other side a table with a fridge and a lot of storage underneath it, and this little desk where you can work if you want. This cabin is part of the Prime Edge category. It's 200 square feet and designed for up to 3 guests. Not sure about the third person, but the 2 of us felt very comfortable there. It's right next to the elevators, but I didn't notice much noise coming from there. This is the king-size bed, and here's my favorite part. It's called Infinite Veranda. This controls open and close window and also open and close blinds. So now you can enjoy unobstructed view right from your room. I really love how much storage this stateroom has. So first, here is a wardrobe. I already unpacked all my suitcases there. You can hang your clothes. On this side, there are even more shelves. More storage under the table. And you can hide your suitcases and other bigger items under the bed. And here is a bathroom with a shower behind the glass door and even more places to put your things. I actually don't know why hotels don't add so many shelves around the sink. This is so helpful. And there are more storage under the sink. The room has a smart control where you can change temperature, turn on or off lights, or close blinds. In the next video, I'll show all our stops and what we did there. Norway is so beautiful.